Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's tech demo. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Cloud Library mobile app and how to get the most out of your experience using it. The Cloud Library app is a free site that offers over 2,000 different audio and ebooks. This app could serve as a really beneficial tool if you're somebody with a long commute, if you're a student, or if you're just always on the go. Also, you might recall that we've done a video on the desktop version that we offer, the link for which can be found on our website. The Cloud Library app is available for free on both the Apple and Google Play stores. All you need to get started is your library card number and your PIN. So like I mentioned, getting started on the app is a very quick and simple process. After downloading, you'll just be prompted to fill out your language, country, state, and library location preferences. And then once you've agreed to their terms and services, you'll then be able to log into your account using the barcode number on the back of your library card and your PIN, which is just the last 4 digits of your phone number. So once you've logged in, this screen that you see right here will serve as your home page. At the top, you'll be able to clearly see which account you're under should you choose to add multiple, which is a possibility. Also, the last book that you were most recently reading will be listed here just above the library messages portion. And as I just mentioned, adding more than one card onto this app is possible, and it's also super easy. To do this, you're just going to select the cards icon, then select Add New on the top right corner, where you're going to be met with the same screen that you saw in the beginning. So each time you add a card, you're going to be asked the same location preference questions as you saw earlier. And now that you have multiple cards linked to this app, switching between them should be a breeze. You're just going to click on the cards icon once again, and a list will come up of all the cards that you've added. Now we can get into what it looks like to actually navigate the books that they offer. To check out or borrow a book, you're just going to select the book that you want, and then select Borrow in green. You're going to get 14 days with whatever you borrow, which is the same as checking out in a physical library, and you'll be able to access the due date by selecting My Books in the bottom bar. This will show you a list of every book that you've checked out and their respective due dates. You'll also be given the option to return the book sooner than the due date if you please. Aside from borrowing, another option that you'll have is to save a book for later. This option will be listed in orange under Borrow. Any books that you've saved can be found under My Books in the bottom bar, at which you can then swipe over to the Saved tab. One of the really great features about this app can actually be found in the search section on the bottom bar. Aside from the usual search and advanced search options, the Cloud Library app also has a Favorites tab where you can set your own personal reading preferences. You'll just be asked basic questions about which reading level and genre you prefer. Also, you'll be able to change these preferences at any time in case you change your mind. Once you've set these preferences, you've essentially created your own feed where you'll be recommended books based off of what you set. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the book. First, just select which book you want by going to the My Books tab on the bottom bar. Under Current, select which book you want to read. Once inside, we can now start to navigate the different features that the app offers. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see what page number you're on as well as how many pages are left in the chapter. And you can tap or swipe on either side of the screen to turn pages. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to search for keywords in the text. And right next to that, you can also keep your place by selecting the bookmark icon. Now here's where you can start to really customize your reading experience. By selecting the big A little a icon, you'll be able to change the font type as well as the size. You can also change the appearance of the screen with the day, night, and sepia modes. Also, if you prefer to scroll down as you read, they give you that option as well. The advanced settings will allow you to play around with things like page margins and word spacing. Finally, the 3 horizontal lines on the top right will allow you to see the table of contents, any pages that you have bookmarked, and any specific text that you have highlighted. To highlight something, simply hold down over the beginning of what you want to highlight, select Highlight in the pop-up menu, and then you can choose the color. So this is going to conclude this week's tech demo. I hope you enjoyed exploring the Cloud Library app and that it can become a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.